consolidate back. And one of those aspects was our organization. And what we found, because the people came from all different backgrounds, had started doing things their own way, we had to get everybody on one solid foundation. Therein lies the birth of Talent Acquisition Academy. So we call it TA Academy.
All right, what are the factors driving innovation? What's causing this shift? So if you look around the world, and especially if you read, The World is Flat, that book, intense global competition. And to make it worse, racket copying. So when Dell puts something new in their computer, how long before HP copies it? Or someone in China, the Windows operating system was introduced in China before in Redmond, Washington, because someone stole a copy and sold